Hey guys, welcome to Soulful Adventures, and let's see what are the cards for our next zodiac sign, that is Capricorn, for the month of September 2020. Okay, this is the last earth sign, and Virgo season is an earth sign season, so definitely Capricorns are going to get affected the most. So let's see. I'm right now shuffling cards for you guys. Let's see what are the cards for Capricorns for the month of September 2020. Okay, I'll draw some cards for you right now. First card, the second one, third card, the fourth one, fifth card, and the sixth one. Okay, Capricorns, let's begin with our reading for the month of September 2020. First card that was drawn for you is Queen of Swords. This is the current situation, current position that's going around with you. Queen of Swords is don't mess with me energy. She has a sword. So definitely she has all the thoughts, a very clear thoughts, a wise thought about what and how to do anything. She has some plans. She know what is justice, how to make justice. She exactly know what to do in what condition. Capricorns, this month, this time, the current situation, you definitely know who you are, what you want, and how you are going to achieve your goal. There is no confusion right now. You definitely have made some decision in your mind. You are taking these steps regarding the plan you already have made, one at a time, one by one, and you are executing them. Maybe starting a new business, studying for that, maybe leaving this job, taking a new opportunity. You have already decided, and now you are executing the steps regarding the same. Maybe leaving this relationship, a toxic relationship, you have decided, and now you are making changes in your life. It can also be very much self-care. It can also be, I need to become more healthy. I need to think about my health. You are taking steps regarding that, but you are very much clear in your life right now what you want and how you would achieve it. Then Capricorn, we have an opportunity card as the Magician. The Magician is a card where you can see he has all the elements in his hand, all the tools. So understand, Capricorns, this month Virgo season is going to affect you very positively. Take advantage of that. Your opportunity is you are getting a new chance to create, to invent something, to start something new. You have all the elements in your hands, whether it's money, whether it's resources, your own intelligence, strategies, help from friends, everything you have. So this tarot message is you are the magician. It's just your own tricks and tips you have to follow, and then you can create something magical. And this is an opportunity for you. Take advantage of Virgo season. The favoring energy, guys, we have Three of Pentacles as your strength card. Three of Pentacles is a card where it can be a new birth. So if that's a good news, then congratulations. This card also means teamwork. It means that there would be your colleagues, your friends, or your family who would be helping you and supporting you in achieving your goals. Three of Pentacles is also something where it's a place of worship. So if you are feeling little spiritual or religious, it's okay. This month, as it is, this month is about self-protection, self-care and self-love. Go into that hermit mode. Go into that spiritual mode. Use this spiritual energy as your strength. Use your colleagues and friends' help. If they are ready to help, use their intelligence, use their support, use their tricks and tips to follow your heart to achieve that goal. It's nothing wrong to take a help of your friend or a colleague. Be thankful for them. Be thankful to them for this new suggestions, new recommendations. Be open to all kind of suggestions this month from all your colleagues and friends and family. Use this teamwork as a strength. Then we have your fourth card. Recent past. Seven of Swords. What a beautiful energy. Highest minor arcana card. It's like wishes, plans, hopes that you made in the past. Maybe in the month of August you have made some plans. You have manifested a lot. I want this kind of job. I want to start this new business. I want this love. I want this proposal. I want to get fit. And finally, because of that, definitely, if you compare these two cards side by side, this is your past energy where you have decided certain plans, certain hopes, certain goals you had, which you decided in the month of August or maybe July. And this is the card of present where you are executing that plan. So please connect this both cards. When you have wished, manifested regarding something, you are making the efforts to get those completed in present. In past, you made plans. In present, you are executing yourself to make them come true. The wishes you made, the manifestation you did is going to come through because you yourself is executing for them. You are putting efforts for them to come true. Then we have a fifth card, and that is Two of Wands. What energy is Two of Wands? Two of Wands is the energy of a short journey. Maybe there can be some business trips regarding your work, or short journey where you need to decide and explore more. You're serving, if you can see this card very clearly, you are serving the kingdom. There is some choice. Twos are always about options. So you are thinking whether to start a new business or whether to get this new job, whether to take this job or that one. So there is this or that. Maybe in the September end you will be into this situation where you have too many options and you would be selecting that. Okay, there can be short trips also. Maybe there is an unlock, you are bored, you can go for a trip, or maybe there are business short trips. But definitely whatever plans you are executing, you are studying how to expand them, definitely by the end of September. You have a final outcome card as Five of Cups. Okay, Five of Cups, Virgo season again. What I'll tell you, Capricorn, Five of Cups is an energy where you need to work on your mental stability. Whatever has left behind, whatever has already been spilled, there is no need to cry over that spilled milk, and there is no really use of it. Understand, Capricorn? Whatever has lost is lost. What you have now, salvage that. Take that with you. Look behind, learn from the lessons and move ahead. This is the final tarot message, the final outcome what you have. Learn from the past and move ahead. There is nothing kept in past. Already that has been lost. Now what you have, there are two cups, there are something, there are your supporters, your people who are still with you, the friends, the family who still love you. Please take care of them and with them move ahead. There is nothing good in looking back and crying and regretting. Capricorns, being an earth sign, I completely understand there is a grounding situation. There are situations where you tend to go in the past most of the time, but I would suggest to Capricorns, move ahead with the time, change, accept the change. It's difficult for earth sign to accept the change very normally. How fire signs and air signs adapt, it's difficult for an earth sign, but you need to move ahead for your own betterment. This month is all about self-protection, self-care, self-love. Protect yourself from any kind of negative thoughts or toxic people, toxic energy. This month is all about learning, using your magical energy to create something new. Focus on the positive traits this month. Take advantage of earth sign Capricorns. It is favoring you in your career. It is favoring you in your love life. You have to take charge finally to create something magical. You have to take help, or if someone is offering you help, please go ahead and take help of that person. There is nothing wrong in accepting the help. Guys, with this we would be meeting in our next tarot reading card session in the month of October. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.